Okay, so we have ourselves a iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm going to show you how to put a screen protector on it. So this is the screen protector I'm using. I just got this one from Amazon. It is by the brand Milo Mdoy. It's tempered glass. It's a privacy screen protector, so when you're looking at the phone from the side, you won't be able to see what's on the screen. So I'm going to show you how to install this onto your iPhone 15 Pro Max in today's video. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to unbox this screen protector. You can see that it's sealed there at the top. Okay, so it comes with a few things here. It's saying to watch the installation video that comes when you scan the QR code. Alright, so here we have the cleaning kit. So we're just going to open one of these. Okay, so we're going to use the wet wipe first, which is this one, to just clean the screen. So this is a damp, light cloth. Okay, now we're going to use the microfiber cloth to dry this screen. And we're going to use this dust absorber also. Okay, now what we're going to do is put the phone in this frame here. Now it does say top and bottom here, so we're going to align it so the iPhone is at the top. Okay, so we've placed it in, it says top there at the top and bottom here. Now we're going to take the screen protector. Okay, so we're then going to peel away this layer here. So we're going to peel this off, and then we're going to place the screen protector in its position, like so. And you just have to align it with the frame and it will just sit in the correct position, like so. So you can see that it's just kind of settling into the correct position. You can assist by just kind of pressing and squeezing. Right, let's take this out of the frame now. You can use the microfiber cloth to push away any bubbles, so I can see one bubble just there, which I'm going to push into the center. It's good to have like a dark screen in order for you to see where the bubbles are. So make sure you turn off the screen so that you can fully see it, and then just push these bubbles out by using the microfiber cloth and just pushing them to the side. Okay, and there we are all done now. So we have installed our screen protector and the iPhone is now ready.